Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find files you shared with someone on Slack. And in general, how to find the files that you shared, right? So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this button right here. And I'm going to click upload a file from my computer. And I'm going to just share my picture, right? So let me go ahead and send that. So this is a file that I know shared with this person. Now, let's say you want to find all files that you shared or find the files that you shared on Slack and not only by scrolling through each chat with someone to find those. You can easily go ahead and click your profile on the lower left hand side or your account, click on profile, then towards the right hand side you want to scroll down and click these three dots right across from view as. In this section, you will find the option View Your Files, and you can click on that. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll find Shared with You or Created by You. So if you click on Created by You, you will see the files that you shared right here, and you can quickly download those files, right? Or you can even share them again, as you can see right here. Now, you will see files that are shared with you. If someone shares files with you, you'll find it in this section. And of course, if you want to see all files, you simply click on that as well to see all files, right? And that's pretty much how you can actually find it, guys. You can even find the recent files here as well. And that's it.